Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video, we are going to learn some commands that are related to debugging the internet connection, etc. So the first thing is checking your IP address. So for checking the IP address, the command which is useful in Linux is ifconfig, C-O-N-F-I-G, right? This is the command. If you write this command, it is going to show you the IP address allotted to all of the connections or all of the interfaces your system has. My system has Ethernet as well as the Wi-Fi, but I'm not using Ethernet right now. Only the Wi-Fi is allotted the IP address. So this is my IP address. This is the net mask, and this is the broadcast IP address of my network. If you face any issue in running this command, then that would mean that the utility which has or includes this command is not installed on your Linux system, and that one is named as net tools. Okay, so to install that on Ubuntu, Raspberry Pi's operating system, or any Debian based operating system, this is the command. You write sudo apt install net dash tools, right? And then you enter the password, right? So this utility is already installed on my system. If it is already installed on your system, then it would show that nothing is to be upgraded, right? Same method is going to be applied on Raspberry Pis as well. Okay, the next thing is checking whether your internet is working or not, and for that you write ping www.google.com. If you get these messages, that means that you are getting response, right? Now I'm going to disconnect my internet and going to show you what kind of response you're going to get for this command. Turn off. I turn off the Wi-Fi, and then I write this. It says temporarily failure in the resolution. If I connect back to the internet, turn on the Wi-Fi, connect to my respective, it's already connected. Then I write this, you will start getting the response from this command. These are the two very useful commands for checking your network on Linux systems. Thank you very much.